Who doesn't love Ruffles, Doritos, and Cheetos? Aaminin ko, I love those chips. But when made as toppings sa Krispy Kreme donuts, I was skeptical at first, but very intrigued, so I tried. Anyway, we all know na masarap na combination yung tamis alat, and masarap yung chips na topping, so it was worth a try. Let's start dun sa pinaka-nagustuhan ko sa tatlong flavors. This is the Ruffles Sour Cream and Onion. Ito yung flavor na pinaka-nag-work for me. It has white chocolate cream and crushed Ruffles Sour Cream and Onion on top. For me kasi yung sour cream is lasang cream cheese. Ang soft ng donut, hindi super tamis yung white chocolate cream, and this combination is my favorite. I love Cheetos Cheddar Jalapeno. Unusual itong flavor na to, but I think bagay sila. I love the cheese filling inside na tinya yung lasa ng Cheetos Cheddar Jalapeno. Enjoyable din kainin yung soft donut with crunchy bits of chips. Not too sweet din kaya hindi nakakaumay. Actually, yung tatlong flavors na to. This Doritos Nacho Cheese flavor is my least favorite among the three. Compared to Ruffles and Cheetos kasi medyo mas matigas yung texture ng crushed Doritos. But nagustuhan ng husband ko yung texture and the tamis alat combination of this flavor. So I guess it really depends on your taste and preference. Honestly, I still prefer yung mga sweet flavored donuts like Biscoff and chocolates. But these new flavors of Krispy Kreme are bold and unconventional and limited time lang to kaya worth a try. Masarap and worth a try especially if adventurous kayo sa food nyo. Sa mga nakatry na ng new flavors na to, did you like it?